Supported bridge and shoulder stand. For these poses, you're going to want to start with a low swing hammock, about 1 foot from the ground. Kneel in front of your fabric and position the hammock along the tops of your hips. Lean into the fabric and make sure that this is at a comfortable spot for you, as the fabric will be supporting your lower body for the next few poses. When you're ready, we're going to move into our supported bridge. Walk your feet out in front of you. Make sure that your hips are square, and then lean back, leading with your hand. Press your hand onto the ground and lower your upper body to the ground. Squeeze your belly in, engage your core, engage your thighs and your glutes, and bring your body into a straight line. This is your supported bridge. For an added shoulder stretch, you can clasp your hands together and press them against your mat. From here, we're going to move into our supported shoulder stand. To do this, I want you to press your hands back firmly against the ground, and you're going to reach out with your leg, one at a time. Lift off with your leg into a straddle and wrap around the outside of your fabric. Extend your foot and hook. Do the same thing with your other leg so that both of your legs are wrapped up in the fabric. You should feel very secure and supported in this pose. It's a nice release for your back that's a little bit more supported than our traditional inversions. There's a couple variations that we can go into from here, like a straddle. Your lower body should be supported by your hammock, so you can slowly unwrap your legs and extend them. For an added hip stretch, bring the palms of your feet together into a locust pose. And breathe deeply here and just relax. When you're ready, slowly unhook your legs. Use your arms to bring yourself into a seated position, and you're finished. Great job.